Hi guys, Shara here. Welcome back to my channel. This is a really sunny and lovely day outside. Look at me. Like, finally I can wear some summer clothes. Yes, so in this video I am gonna make a propagation of this yucca plant. Last time I made a video about yucca propagation, but that wasn't a proper propagation because technically I just like talk how I did it, but I didn't show you properly, so that maybe that would be a great idea to do a proper propagation video this time. I got this plant about like 4 months ago. The first reason I bought because they had a discount, 50% discount, so that I thought this is a very fair price, so that I bought it. And the second reason that I bought it because they have so many like a new growing stems, so that I can make a lot of new propagation out of one plant. You know, this is always good to have a lot of plant out of one. So yeah, that is the reason why I bought it, so that I will be able to do this video and show you exactly how I'm gonna do. All right, so yeah, let's get started. So in this video I'm gonna make two different kind of propagation, which is water propagation and soil propagation. Comes to the yucca propagation, soil propagation do really well. I have it in my own hand here. I have done it this like a few months ago and they are doing super great, so that I am gonna do more soil propagation today. And in the other hand, I am also gonna do the water propagation. I have never done this method yet, but I have seen many people done it and they do really well, so that I wanted to try by my own. Here I have prepared the soil. This is a lot of normal potting soil with perlite. This is a very good soil mix for yucca. And I got it for the water propagation. I just gonna use recycle the coffee jar, and this is perfect. All right, so I am gonna make a cutting here, this stem, and up here this stem, to this two stem. Okay. There you go. It's just like this. All right. And I am gonna grow one of them in the soil and one of them in the water. And today I'm gonna use this hormone cube. I have already talked about this hormone rooting hormone cube. If you haven't seen that video, you can go and check it out. So I am just gonna split here and wrap it up just like this, and grow them directly into the soil. And just simply grow them like this, and add a little bit more soil on the top. Great. That's it. There you go. Soil propagation yucca. And this one, maybe just water a little bit. It's really hot. And this one, another cutting, I will just grow them in this water like this. Just let them float just like this in the water. And I'm gonna change this water once a week, which is perfect. This is the first yucca propagation that I have done a few months ago. The root system inside is really great, and some roots are like popping out outside. Maybe I can show you, you know, this when I start to plant this one, that was just like this small size, and in a few months then they just grow like crazy. You know, yucca is one of the easiest plant that you can make propagation of. And I wanted to show you the soil is super dry. Okay, so in a few months later, the root bound is gonna be like this. See how cool it is? Do you see here? So you will start to get, you will see this kind of like a crazy root bound in a few months later. So, you know, I water them just like in winter. In winter, I water this guy like once in 14 days, about like 2 to 3 weeks. The propagation plant, they don't need so much water, and especially for the yucca, since they are desert plants, so that they don't really need so much water. So I'm thinking that, you know, the soil is very like losing and very dry, no nutrition. So what I'm thinking is I am going to repot this guy to this pot, and you know, replace with the new better soil, has a lot of nutrition, so that they will grow fast. Yes, so I'm just get rid of all the soil, gentle and nice. Yeah, okay, I guess this is pretty much enough, removing all the soil. And now I'm gonna grow them into this new soil. I have prepared same the perlite and the normal potting soil, but this potting soil has lots of nutrition, so that it is gonna be good. But the yucca, they don't really need special, you know, like special soil mix. Okay, so this is, I have removed pretty much all the old soil, and now I'm just gonna remove this like this, go a little bit deeper. Yeah, there you go, just like this. My hands is really dirty. Yes, cool. That's it. Great. Looks so cool. Looks so beautiful with this new pot. I am successfully repotting my baby yucca. Alright, and this baby propagation is gonna be big like this soon. For the last tip about watering comes to this, you know, propagation nursery plant. In the summer, maybe you can water once a week, but very little amount. Especially come to the yucca, they don't need plenty of water like any other plants, since they are, I'm sure you know that this is kind of desert plant, so that they don't need so much water. Yes, so this is pretty much all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will update you, you know, the progress in a few more months. All right, so as always, thank you so much for watching, and if you like it, do not forget to thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.